Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Jabra 87 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily enable or disable in-ear detection. At first we have to click on this gear icon over here and then we have to go into headset settings. Here we have to go into general and scroll all the way down to work detection. A sensor in each earbud is used to determine if you are wearing the headset. The in-ear detection is used for auto-answering calls when one or both earbuds are put into ears, mute call audio when you take off earbuds, and pause audio by taking out one of both earbuds. If you turn off the in-ear detection, these automatic behaviors will no longer work. We can disable this option by clicking on this switch or enable it back by hitting the same. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.